Alright, welcome back. In this video, we're going to start kind of housekeeping on the front end and configure a couple things like Apollo, and we're going to use Material UI for components. So right off the bat, we're going to just go through, we're going to delete CSS file, both of them the test file, and the logo, add those, go into app, and pretty much bag that. Get rid of these two imports right here. Index.js. Let's get rid of that CSS import. And we're over on Apollo GraphQL, and we're going to install a bunch of packages. Links right here. Basically, we've got the Apollo client, Apollo cache and memory, Apollo link HTTP, graphical, and React Apollo. We're also going to install the latest version of Material UI. That's Material UI at next. We're also going to install Material UI icons. Okay. So we're going to set up our Apollo client here. So here's the starter code right here. I want to put this in the index. So let's see here. We got the Apollo client we're calling here with a link, and we're creating a new HTTP link. And this is our GraphQL endpoint. So we actually want our backend, whatever that may be, in our case, it's our Cloud9 port 8081/GraphQL. For now, cache and memory cache is fine. We're also going to want Apollo provider, which is a higher order component. Which will wrap our app. Right here we'll say const root get that out of there. React.render. Here we'll put our Apollo provider, and that takes one prop called the client, which is in fact the client that we just created right here. Okay, that's your basic setup for Apollo. Now, the Material UI. We're going to bring in this import. I'm actually going to break this up a little bit. I'm going to go create a new folder inside of SRC. Call it style. So I'm going to call it theme. Create a new file. Index.js. What I'm going to do is break this apart just to try something new here. I want to create theme in here. And I want the Material UI theme provider in here. And then I'm also going to import theme /theme. And in here, I say that's how you do your theme. These are the defaults for the theme. Let's try something new here. I'll select all this nonsense. I'm going to pass it to that. That's all your default settings. It's even going to let me export the default that. Yeah, it does. So this way we can alter the theme in any way we want, I'm guessing. So I'll go back to that later. For now, let's say theme equals theme on the Material UI provider, wrapping that inside of our Apollo provider. We'll see how that all works out. Well, the app starts. We'll pick up in the next video with what it looks like.